Good morning students, welcome to maths class, and today I want to continue with exercise that 14.3, that is division of algebraic expressions. First we find the common factor of the algebraic expression and then divide that by the given term. We have completed question number 1 yesterday. Today I want to continue with question number 2. What is that? Listen. Question number 2 is this: divide 9a square, a part I am doing, 9a square plus 10a raised to the power 4 plus 11a raised to the power 6 divided by, I am writing like this, in book write here, divide by a square, like this. Beta, most probably whatever is there in the denominator, जिससे भी डिवाइड होता है, that must be common. 99% वही कॉमन आएगा, अदरवाइज पार्ट ऑफ दैट. मान लो यहाँ 7a स्क्वेयर है तो माइट बी 7 कॉमन और a स्क्वेयर कॉमन, बट बिकॉज फ्रॉम 9, 10 एंड 11 नथिंग इज कॉमन. 9, 10 and 11 they are not divisible by any number. So nothing is common in the numerical part, but in variable part, a square, a4, a6. What is the minimum power? Least power is a square. So a square is common from the numerator. Divide each term by a square. This one is 9, this one is 10, a raised to the power 2 is outside, 4 is there, 2 is there. Out of 6, 2 power is outside. How much is left? 4. पावर माइनस हो जाती है बेटे जिससे डिवाइड करते हैं. डिवाइडेड बाई ए स्क्वेयर, ए स्क्वेयर टू ए स्क्वेयर कैंसल, तो 9 प्लस 10 ए स्क्वेयर प्लस 11 ए रेज टू द पावर 4 इज द आंसर. बेटा इन दिस वे यू कैन कंप्लीट all the questions. अब देखो नेक्स्ट, I want to discuss next part. Now second question C part beta. It is given 400y x raised to the power 90, 200y x raised to the power 180, 300y x raised to the power 270 divided by 200y x raised to the power 90. Better take the common factor from the numerator, 400, 200 and 300. This one, all are divisible by what? 100. 4, 2 और 3 किससे डिवाइड होते हैं? 4, 2 and 3. These are divisible by 1, that is 100. Y, y and y. Y is also common. Now x raised to the power 90, x raised to the power 180, x raised to the power 270. Minimum power is 90. So this part is common. What is this? If we divide this by this, 400 by 100, 4, y by y cancelled out, x raised to the power 90 by x raised to the power 90, इसको अगर इससे डिवाइड करेंगे तो 4 is left. yx90 is cancelled out. Now 200 by 100 is 2, y is outside, and x180 by x90, x raised to the power 90. 180 में से 90 माइनस करोगे तो 90 is there. Now 3, y is outside, and 270 by 90, x raised to the power, how much is left? 270 minus 90, 180 divided by 200 y x raised to the power 90. y से y कैंसल, x90 से x90 कैंसल, डिनोमिनेटर में 2 रह जाएगा. 4 प्लस 2 into x raised to the power 90 प्लस 3x raised to the power 180 divided by 200. This is the answer. I think it is clear, nothing special in this. So in the same way you can try all the part of question number 2. Nothing is there, means in everything you have to take write the common factor and then divide by the given expression. Some parts is cut out, whatever be the remaining, that is the answer. Now question number 3. 3 is also same thing. देखो third A part, I am going to do it. What is it? Divide this by, same है बिल्कुल. Take the common factor and then divide. 9y raised to the power 4 minus 7y square divide by y square. So take the common factor. 9 and 7, nothing is common. What is common in y square and y4? Y square is common. So 9y square divide it by 9y4 को y square से divide करो तो 9y square is left minus 7 and this is upon y square. Y square से y square cancel. Answer is 9y square minus 7. डी पार्ट देखिए आप. डी पार्ट में है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. डी पार्ट 3r square s square t प्लस नहीं बेटे, डिवाइड बाय, नहीं ये भी है, माइनस 12r square s square, this one divide by rs into t minus 4. This is the question. Better take the common. What is common in 3 and 4? 3, because both are divisible by 3. R square and R square. R square is also outside. S square and S square. S square is also common. So this t is there, not there. So this is what, 3 से 3 cancel, R square से R square, S square से S square. T is left minus. इसको if we divide by this, then R square to R square cancel. 3 4 are 12. So t minus 4 is left, and in the denominator rs t minus 4. So r square by r is left. t square minus 4 से t square minus 4 cancel. r से एक r cancel, r s से एक n cancel, s cancel. Remaining term is 3 r s. This is the answer. In this way bete, question number 3rd A and D part you can complete. बाकी भी ऐसे ही हैं. नेक्स्ट में इन ई पार्ट ये दे रखे है ना, टेक 2 इज कॉमन फ्रॉम द सेकंड ब्रैकेट एंड 9 इज कॉमन फ्रॉम द थर्ड ब्रैकेट. देखिए आप, ई पार्ट आई वांट टू टेल यू. देखो बेटे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ई पार्ट. व्हाट इज दिस? 480 e cube f cube into 2e plus 10 into 9f minus 27 प्लस डिवाइडेड बाय 24 e plus 5 into f minus 3. This is the question. So beta, what you have to do, this term is as it is, because product of all the factors, ये तो product है, take 2 common from this bracket into 2 e plus 5, दोनों को 2 से divide करोगे. Now 9 is common from this bracket, divide by 9, 9f by 9, f, minus 27 by 9, f minus 3, upon this one, 24 e plus 5, f minus 3. Now cancelled out, 24 2 जा 48, तो 20 is there, e plus 5 से e plus 5 cancel, f minus 3 से f minus 3 cancel. What is left? 9 2 जा 18, 18 2 जा 36, 360, e raised to the power 3, f raised to the power 3. बस, this is the answer. Yes, beta, this one is the answer. So you can do like this. Which part is this? Third question, E part. Now I am going to discuss question number 4. It is also of the same thing. In this, just divide the given expression by the whatever be the given to divide by this. Just like A part, 9 into 9a plus 36 into 6a minus 3. Already they are in factorized form. Divide by 2a minus 1 into a plus 4. So beta, all these are in terms of factor. You take the common, whatever be the common from this bracket or in this bracket, then cancel out the like terms. Mean like terms, cancel out the whatever is equal terms in the denominator. Just like 9 is there, take 9 common from these two into 9. What is left? A plus 4. When you divide both the terms by 9, so 9 by 9 is a, 36 by 9 is 4. Similarly, 3 is common from last. Divide this by 3, 2a minus 1. And write the denominator as it is. 2a minus 1 into a plus 4. Cancel out. Equal terms को cancel कर दो. This and this. What is left? 9 9 जा 81, 81 into 3, 3 1 जा 3, 3 8 जा 24. 243 is the answer. Clear beta? Now all parts are clear except last part. All parts are similarly you can solve them. Factors are given, take the common and whatever be the remaining terms, cancel them with the denominator. E part is this 54 into z minus 8 into z square plus 3z plus 2 divide by 108 into z plus 1. But this question doesn't have the factors. Factors are not given of this term in the numerator. So first you factorize this. So 54 as it is, z minus 8 as it is. What are the factors? This product is 2, 1 is 2. Coefficient of z square and last term. Product is 2. And sum is 3. Sum bete plus 3. Product is plus 2. So what are the possible factor? Ki sum is 3 and product is 2. 2 and 1. तो कैसे लिखोगे? Z square as it is plus 2z plus z. Don't write 1z. because no need to write 1 there, it is already 1z plus 2. सम क्या आएगा, 2 plus z is what, 3z and 2z into z 2z square. ये तो मटेरियल साथ में लगता है, ये 2z square अपॉन 108 into z plus 1. अब क्या है, 54 into z minus 8 into z is common. Z is common from these two. Left over term is z plus 2. 1 is common. 1 z और 2 में 1 common है. Z plus 2 upon 108 into z plus 1. Now write one more term. I am writing here 54 z minus 8 into z plus 2 in one bracket or z plus 2 or z plus 1 in another, like this, divide by 108 into z plus 1. z plus 1 से z plus 1 cancel, 54 2 जा, तो what is left, 1 by 2 z minus 8 into z plus 2. This is the answer. बस. Why it is important? Because in this, in numerator, no any one term is given, that is z square plus 3z plus 2, whose factors are not given. So today up to this I want to finish this. You should complete question number 2, 3 and 4 of 14.3. In next lecture I want to explain the next question. Till then, bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.